I recently met an incredible patient who was 78 years young and full of life and energy. According to him, he was sexually active until the age of 75. And he told me that his wife, who was about 20 years younger, was not the only reason he was so sexually active. As you probably would, I was very curious about his secret to stay so active and healthy at this age. So I asked him and what he did for it, and also found confirmation in his words in the recent scientific studies. I'm Dr. Arkady with ReBalance, and right now I'm going to share this valuable information with you, my friends. The first thing my patient does is at least 300 minutes of physical activity per week. In his case, it's aerobic exercise, swimming, and playing tennis. In addition, he does his pelvic floor exercise 3 to 4 times per week. By the way, if you are interested to find out how to do pelvic floor exercise correctly, check out the description below and watch my video. The second thing that helps him to stay sexually active is a special herbs and one supplement that he takes when he needs to support his health in his blood vessels. Cardiovascular disease, arterial blockage, and poor functioning of the venous system are among the main reasons that triggers erectile dysfunction in millions of men worldwide. We know that the excessive consumption of refined white sugar causes massive inflammation all over the body and clogs the arteries and veins. Frequent intake of this product leads to, as I said, massive inflammation throughout your body, resulting in excessive fat and clutter in your circulatory system. And if your arteries fail to bring enough blood into the penis and veins do not contract properly and hold the blood in the penis, we cannot actively stay erected or even get erection. So what can we do to prevent the problem or even get rid of this problem once and for all? First, of course, reduce consumption of refined white sugar or any products that use the white sugar or sugar in general. The second step is what my patient does. He takes daily the horse chestnut extract and gotu kola herb, which helps to maintain his circulatory system in a healthy state until the age of 78. The easiest way to take those herbs is to take them in the form of supplement called VasalMax. By the way, you can order VasalMax from our website. The link is right in the description. Now let's dive into the studies that show why these products actually work. And I would like to share with you 2 different studies. One is from the Journal of Vascular Disease called Horse Chestnut Extract for Chronic Venous Insufficiency. And the other one is from the Journal of Cardiovascular Pharmacology and Therapeutics in 2015 about the gotu kola. In the first study from the Journal of Vascular Disease that involved participants with the chronic venous insufficiency who received either the horse chestnut extract or the placebo for 2 months. Researchers were evaluated symptoms like leg cramps, like pain, swelling, different other symptoms of venous insufficiency. The group that received the horse chestnut extract showed a significant improvement in the symptoms compared to the placebo group. So the study shows that the horse chestnut extract is beneficial for managing chronic venous insufficiency symptoms. But you're probably asking, how does this relate to my erection? Well, it's pretty simple. If your veins are working well, they help to retain the blood in the penis during erection, so your erections are stronger and last longer. Now, the second study that was published in Journal of Cardiovascular Pharmacology and Therapeutics in 2015 investigated the effects of gotu kola extract on the arterial stiffness in healthy subjects. Researchers found that the supplement with gotu kola extracts taken for about 12 weeks resulted in a significant improvement in the arterial stiffness compared to the placebo group. Improvement in arterial stiffness is very important for erection. If you have strong arteries and they can pump the blood better into the penis, allowing you to achieve a stronger and quicker erection. Now you understand why the horse chestnut extract as well as the gotu kola extracts are so important for restoring your erection to its useful vigor. But to maintain your erection in top shape, You need to avoid these harmful products. Watch this video right now to understand what those products are and why they destroy your erection. Best of luck.